In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme color of charts in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your chart's background and foreground colors so your workspace looks clean, readable, and consistent with your personal style. First, open Metatrader 5 and make sure the platform is fully loaded. It's best to close any pop-up windows so you can clearly see the chart you're working with. If you have multiple charts open, bring the one you want to change to the front so it's active and visible. Next, choose the specific chart you want to customize. This can be any symbol or time frame. The color changes you make will apply to that chart window. If you prefer to focus, maximize the chart so you have a full view of the price area, the grid, and the axes. Now, move your mouse over the chart area and right-click directly on the chart. This opens a context menu with a set of chart-related options. Look carefully toward the bottom of that menu and click Properties. Depending on your setup, it may appear as Properties or Chart Properties, but it's always near the bottom. Inside the Properties window, switch to the Colors tab. This is where Metatrader groups all the visual elements for the chart, making it easy to adjust the appearance in one place. You'll see entries for different items, and the two we're focusing on here are background and foreground. Go to Background. This controls the main canvas of your chart, the area behind the candles or bars. Choose a background color that suits your preference. A dark background is popular for low light environments, while a light background can be easier to read in bright conditions. Think about overall contrast and how your indicators and candles will show up against the background. Next to background, pick the exact color you want. You'll usually see the change immediately in the preview, so take a moment to check legibility. If you often switch between instruments or sessions, pick something that remains comfortable for long periods. And also adjust the foreground. The foreground color typically affects axes, scale values, and general chart text. Choose a color that contrasts clearly with your background so price levels, time labels, and other key markings remain crisp. A simple rule is dark text on a light background, or light text on a dark background. That's all there is to it. With background and foreground set, your chart's theme is cleaner, easier to read, and tailored to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized Metatrader 5 charts.